Hey guys, still trying to make ambient music by just turning the reverb to 100? This year that's how you get a mighty mix. And today I'm showing you how to use FL Studio's new Sampler 2.0 granular mode and the AI spatial mapper to create evolving professional soundscapes that never repeat. Let's find some space. So, firstly, grab any simple sample, even a recording of your kitchen sink. Drag it into the Sampler 2.0. And then guys, this year's move is you can just switch the engine to granular and then crank the grain size up and the density down. Now right click the position knob and select create automation clip. Draw a slow rising line across 32 bars. This ensures your sound is constantly moving through the sample, creating a texture that feels alive instead of static. And then you can add the depth. Send your sound to a mixer and load lush verb. Use the freeze button to capture a specific harmonic tail, then use the AI spatial mapper to place that sound in a 3D field. Then the Gopher shortcut. If your mix feels cluttered, click the Gopher AI icon and say Gopher sidechain this pad to my sub-bass to clear up the low end. It will handle the routing and threshold settings for you instantly. And your track is now a breathing, evolving universe. Hopefully you get yourselves with some ambient music. Good luck creating. Thank you for watching.